everyone, I'm Amreen Soleh. In today's video, let us learn how to create wall using wall function in Pytha Planner. So let's get started. As you can see, there are 4 views: front, side, top and axonometry. To begin with, let us switch to the axonometry view. To start with the wall, you can either select the wall function from the icon bar or the vertical menu bar. All you need to do is go to Main, Wall function. Once I click on wall, a dialog box will appear. Here you can define the name of your wall thickness, wall height. From the options given below, I will select floor and ceiling. This will automatically give a floor and ceiling to my wall created. Confirm with OK. Once I click on OK, it will ask me for a start point. It is advisable to switch to a view while creating wall. I will switch to the top view, pick a point on the y-axis as my start point. A dialog box will appear where I can define the length and angular grid for my wall. I will move my mouse towards the right and define the length in x-axis as 4000. To confirm, press enter. To create an angular wall, all you need to do is define an angle in the angular grid. I will define it as 45. Once I define the angle, my wall will rotate in that particular angle only. I will define the length of my angular wall as 1500 and press enter to confirm. Repeat the same process for the rest of my wall. To end the command, you can either click on finish or press the right mouse button on your screen. My wall is created along with the ceiling and floor. Let us now complete the room. You can also create a wall without defining any length. I will switch the solid mode off for better viewing. Just go to wall, confirm with all the details, pick a start point for your wall and then pick an end point to it. To end the command, press finish or click the right mouse button on your screen. So my room is now completed. That's how you can create straight and angular wall using the wall function in Pytha Planner. In the next video, we shall learn how to define doors and windows to this room. Thank you.